In this short video tutorial, we will understand about the default case inside the body of the switch and case statement. Now, why do we need the default case? Suppose I have given the value 10 to variable A. Now you can easily understand that because switch is using the variable A as the decision making variable and it has value 10, it will not match with the first case because first case will only match if the value of A is 1, and it will also not match with the value of the second case because this case will only match if the value of A is 4. So therefore, both these cases will not get executed. Now in such a condition, what we need to do is we need to give a default case to the switch statement so that at least this case will match if no other cases will match the value of the decision variable. So let me write default case over here. Now when we will execute this code and we have given the value 10 to the variable A. So when we will execute this code, both these cases will not match with the value of A. Therefore, automatically the default case will execute and this string will get printed on the screen. So let's run our code and you will notice that default case string has been printed on the screen because the value of the decision variable did not match with both these cases inside the body of the switch statement. So this is how you can make use of the default case to at least execute some code inside the body of the switch statement in such a case where no other cases they match with the value of the decision variable. So with this, I hope you have understood why we use the default case in the switch statement. So we'll end our short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.